What is up, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Thomas animation. So first of all, blah de blah. If you have this rig, my door's open. I don't know why. If you have this rig, then I'm gonna bring it back up soon because let me show you. Search up Curse Thomas. There's Mr. Copycat over here that stole my. Wait, did it get shut down? I think it got shut down. Nope, never mind. That's weird. It says it shut down. Yeah, Copycat over here. I'll leave a link so you can report it so it won't be back up. And there's another one. But if you have it, then you can use it in Blender. Now I'm going to show you an animation I made. So let's just say you have it, because I already made an animation of it. Let me just let's just say you do blah blah de blah de blah. Use 2D animation. Find tutorials on YouTube, and then once you have the tutorials, you can animate. So blah de blah. This is my animation. Oh. So yeah, I made a little animation right here. And then once you're done, like, you also probably watched a tutorial that it said how you're gonna export it. After you export it, you're gonna make an animation. Here's a tip: make a new file. Once you make a new file, like I use frames, which I use most of my animations on. Once you do it, then close this and get a new video editing. Don't save. And then let's say right click or Control F, was it? Control P, I think. I forgot, guys. But it was it'll probably say it in the video. I'll try. Control S, I think. Frames. Nope, never mind, not Control S. There, Control. I'm sorry, guys. This is taking forever. I have no idea what's going on. But whatever you do, you can edit that frame, export again, make a video. So yeah, that's how you do it. I'll leave a link for a Blender animation idea. So, yep, that's a very short thing.